Look carefully at the bottle. We buy it, drink water from it, and after 5 minutes, we throw it in the trash. But do you know that after you throw this bottle away, it will remain on this earth for more than 450 years? That means for the next 9 generations after you, this bottle will still be here on this earth. This same plastic bottle ends up in rivers, then the ocean where animals eat it. And that same thing is coming back into our food, into our water, and causing all kinds of diseases. But by solving this problem, you can build a startup worth millions. Today, we will talk about a business that could change the whole world in the future, and that business is the paper bottle business. A few years ago, no one thought that single-use plastic would be banned in India, but today it has been banned in many places, almost everywhere. Earlier, we used to get plastic straws in every restaurant, but today we are getting those straws made of paper. And this same revolution is coming to plastic bottles in the future. The bottle today should not harm nature, and now customers have also become smart. They want things that do not harm nature. And this is where the paper bottle business starts. Today, there are very few people in India who are doing this business, but in the future, it is going to take over completely. That means whoever starts first will have a great opportunity to get ahead. Here, you might be wondering, how will water stay in a paper bottle? Won't it get soggy? This is the most special part of this business. First, waste paper or sugarcane bagasse is mixed well. With the help of some chemicals, a pulp is made from it. Then with the help of a machine, it is given the shape of a bottle. After this, the bottle is coated from inside with a plant-based biocoating, and this is what makes the bottle waterproof. Because of this coating, water cannot reach the paper and the paper remains strong. Now, when it is used and thrown away, this bottle completely decomposes into the soil within a few months. Unlike plastic, it doesn't stay on the ground for years. If you want to start this business, you will need at least 5,000 to 8,000 square feet of space. Along with that, you will need to install machines for making pulp and preparing the bottles. Now, if we talk about how much investment you will need to start this business, let's see. All the machines that are being made for this are coming from abroad, and because they are imported, these machines are a bit expensive. But in the coming time, we will also see these machines being made in India. If we talk about the cost, you will have to spend at least 5 to 10 lakh rupees on this machine in the beginning. As for the raw material, you will find plenty of raw material in India and you will get it at a very cheap price. If we talk about the profit from this bottle, it will cost you 5 to 6 rupees to make one bottle. And you can easily sell it at any wholesale rate for 10 to 12 rupees. Even if you sell only 4,000 bottles a day, your monthly revenue can be more than 1 million rupees. That means even after all expenses, you can easily earn a net profit of 300,000 to 400,000. Now let's talk about whether we need any license to start this business. So yes, you must have an FSA license. For everything you sell or make related to food and beverages, you must have an FSSAI license. You can get this very easily in India. Now the question is, where will you find customers? See, you don't have to go door to door or sell at shops, you need to target them. Big hotels, large companies that want to present themselves as premium, and big shopkeepers who want to show themselves as premium. Target those kinds of customers and deliver your bottles in bulk. If you sell just one bottle at a time, you'll never be able to grow. In the coming time, paper bottles are going to bring a revolution in the market. It may seem minor now, but when plastic is banned, this will be the only option. In the coming time, we are going to decode even more new businesses, so if you don't want to miss those videos or if you want to start your own company, you'll get all that information on this channel. So subscribe to the channel.